These adorable little bears are the stars of a series of books and DVDs that promise to instill kids with positive values and a winning attitude. And this morning, we're joined by the man who created the Traveling Bears series, Christian Hainsworth, who brought along a good friend. Good morning, Christian.
Good morning. How are you?
Who do you have with you this morning?
We have the Star Wars series Traveling Bear with us.
He's adorable.
Thanks.
Tell me what inspired you to come up with this whole series and what is involved with these books that make them different than all the other children's books that are out there.
Well, we have 14 stories, wonderful stories in our series, and they're all designed to instill positive character traits in the children. Traveling Bear and his friends Mookie and Chugga are the stars, and each book also comes with a read-along CD and DVD to build strong reading skills in the children.
So you're targeting young children here. What is the age group specifically?
Ages 4 to 8 is the primary demographic, but children older, you know, my children now are 9 to 12, and they still love the stories.
So if people would like to get your books and your DVDs, how do they find them?
TravelingBear.com is right now we're working to get into retail. This spring will be in retail nationwide, but right now through the website. Again, TravelingBear.com.
All right, Christian Hainsworth, thanks so much for coming in to see us this morning.
And thanks for having us here.
Our pleasure.